Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about arrow functions in JavaScript. Arrow functions are just an easier way to write functions, and they help make your code shorter and cleaner. So let's get started. An arrow function is just a way to write a function using the arrow symbol. It works like a regular function but is more concise. Let's move to computer screen and learn the syntax and concept by coding. We will write function to add to numbers. Let's create a variable adder and assign function to it that will take two parameters number1 and number2. Now we will call the function in console and will run the program. Now let's convert it to an arrow function, and we will see how the code becomes shorter and cleaner. Remove function and write arrow symbol after parameters, removing curly braces, and return keyword. Boom! Now let's run the program again. That's all for today. I hope you now have a clear understanding of arrow functions in JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.